Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmokesy Bro!
Oh, googly bear!
It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me with a giant foot.
We gotta get you home.
A human kid! My home is out, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Egon unit in position. Turn out and lock it down.
We're looking for affirmative on the negative, number one.
It ain't working nice. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
No? Oh, no. It's Lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mine, the lucky.
I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Okay, folks, here's one for Deadwood. Please spread out and lock it down. Careful and thorough observation of the perimeter will render the situation satisfactory. Niner, we can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We have responded to a 2319 progress.
You didn't see anything unusual here today, did you? Never saw a human child in Monstropolis. It never happened. What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there.